Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're checking out the M4a1 V8, rated for ages 18 and older. It's pretty crazy, guys. 0.05 seconds speed, seconds speed burst. So guys, this is what it looks like. We'll go over all the features you get. All right, guys, so you get safety glasses. You get your battery. Looks like they give 2 AAA batteries, charger, tools, gel blaster bullets. Looks like you got your little sight here, stock, and you put your ammunition in here. Let's see. So it looks like you would normally pop open this side. We'll check this out more. Hey guys, you put your ammo inside here. And you just pop that up there. To pop it out, you would press in the button. It might be on this, yeah. So you would press the button to pop it out. Yeah, so pretty basic, pretty simple. You got semi, auto, and safe. So you just turn this for each mode. Man, this is really nice, guys. Press this and then pull this top piece out. Slide your battery inside. Might be a little tough at first, but this is how you want it to look. You then feed the cable inside right in here, feed it in, and then connect it. You guys pull this to pop open to check for any ammo getting stuck or any issues going on. You can close that as if you want. So yeah, this thing definitely shoots far. Overall, not bad.